You found a wall. She's eating the snow. There she goes. Oh, shared something. Oh my God, what is that?
It's a cone! Oh no, what is it? Is it a cone?
I don't know, I'm afraid. What is it? What the hell is that?
I have no idea. It looks like
Oh, she's eating it.
Tap on the window.
What the hell?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin, oh.
I was thinking it was a pumpkin. Oh my God.